To cook like a real Israeli, you absolutely have to master the Israeli salad. Hi everybody, I'm Rivki, and I'm in the Lev Haolam kitchen with David, our Lev Haolam chef, and he is going to teach us how to make the perfect, most delicious Israeli salad. So David, take it away. First of all, what do we need?
It's very simple. We need just some fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, parsley, Israeli olive oil, salt. We will use some spices also you're not supposed to use, and we also add tahini, but it's also optional. And it's a very classic Israeli dish that we eat with everything.
For those of you who've traveled to Israel, and you know that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, any meal you eat, it's served with
Israeli salad. Yeah.
So, David, what I have learned from you is that you got to have a good knife.
Yeah, this for sure.
So you're starting this with a good, sharp knife.
Just cut it on cubes. So I cut it like this.
Okay.
And just chop it.
Can I tell you, I always wondered how they got like such beautiful, even small pieces.
Yeah, you can make it smaller, but you need to cut more times.
Perfect.
Now we cut cucumbers. This part go out. And I cut it pieces like this.
I see.
After we take all together and chop it.
Beautiful. I always love how colorful this salad looks too.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And we have perfect diced vegetables. Now we cut our onion, also small pieces.
I love red onion.
Yeah.
It has such a nice flavor. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. I love looking at this. Just all of these beautiful bright colors. You realize it's so many phytonutrients, it's minerals, it's vitamins, everything that you need. It's delicious.
Yes, it's fresh and healthy.
Yeah.
And also very tasty.
Amazing.
So we put everything together.
Okay.
Just like this.
Oh, that's nice.
Now we have our parsley.
Okay.
We put it like here.
Okay.
And just start cutting. Duck.
Perfect. That adds such a nice aroma to it as well. The scent of the cut parsley is lovely.
We pour to our salad. Now we pour some lemon juice inside to make it a little bit sour.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel.
And, of course,
it has
olive
to
oil.
be.
Yeah, Israeli oil.
You can't cook it in an Israeli kitchen if we're not adding olive oil.
Inside.
Oh, that's so good.
And now just mix all together.
Okay. The ingredients that we're cooking with today, like the olive oil, the spices, all come from previous Lev Haolam surprise boxes that we have sent around the world to our members. Every month, we work with artists and artisans, small family businesses right here in Israel. And you can see we pack these surprise boxes with the most exquisite products from their workshops. And your support really helps these families and these communities, even in the most difficult of times. It's a wonderful way to do something so good for Israel and also to experience the Holy Land in your home. Click the link in the description down below so that you can learn a little bit more about Lev Haolam and about the people that your membership supports every single month and how you can get these amazing products. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much to bring the Holy Land to you and to others like you who also love Israel.
And now we start seasoning our salad.
I feel like this is the step that makes just an average salad become like a wow salad?
Yes.
Putting the spices in. Okay, so how do we spice it?
First we will put salt.
And again, from 424 salt, this is actual Dead Sea salt. So nice.
Yeah, it is the best. For this recipe, we used our Judean spices. The green spice, it's not necessary, but we like the spice and we put a little bit.
David, basically what I'm seeing is that if there's a spice that you like that goes nicely with veggies, use it.
Yes, like oregano or something like this. Go perfectly.
Okay.
And now we put out with tahini. Tahina.
Nice. And this comes from Chalva King. They're a Jerusalem company. Those of you who've been to Israel and been to the Shuk, you've seen Chalva King at the Shuk.
Just pour over. Just like this.
That's really delicious. And a little bit of tahina adds even more nutritional punch to this already magnificent salad.
Yes.
Having a little bit of olive oil with the veggies also makes the vitamins available to the body. This is perfect. David, this is amazing.
Yeah. It's simple, fresh, and tasty.
Amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome, and la briut.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel.